All right, I'm just gonna show you the key today, okay?
So you just correct. So we have, in terms of hoodie, we've got 4 options, and we've got 2 pairs of sweats. So 4 times 2, 8 options there. 1 mark, we'll do everything 1 mark unless I tell you otherwise. No work necessary, if you just have 8 is fine. How many combinations if you want black sweats? So you're down to just the 1 option for your sweats, so that's just 4. How many combinations if you want a red hoodie? Right, so you only have one option for your hoodie and 2 for sweats, so it's 2 options. So if you roll as standard, so if I don't say anything, if I just say die, it's a standard die, it's 1 to 6. If it's more than that or less than that, we'll tell you. How many possible combinations are possible? 2 times 6 or 6 times 2, right? Because the coin's got 2 options, the die has 6. How many combinations if you roll a 6? Well, then it's very specific. We're rolling a 6, so there's only 1 option, so it's 2 times 1. There's 2 branches on your tree diagram where you would have a 6 involved. 6 heads, 6 tails, okay? Specifically, how many combinations if the coin lands on heads? So if your coin out of 2, it's just 1 option, but you've got 6 numbers. So there'll be heads 1, heads 2, heads 3, heads 4, heads 5, heads 6. 6 combinations. If you roll an even, you've got 2, 4, 6. So you've got 3 options on your die, 2 options on your coin. So that's 6 in total. So far you should have a mark out of 6. Now we've got our password, 4 letters, right? So no restrictions. I just need to see this number right here. I would really want you to show me the work. So you can still score some marks there. So that's worth a mark. No letters can repeat, so you can go 26, pick 4, or you can go 26 times 25 times 24 times 3. Regardless, you get 358,800, so 1 mark for that. Password must start with a Y. And so we're assuming repeats are okay again. So first is a Y, there's only 1 option, and it's 26, 26, 26. So it's basically just 26 to the power of 3, which is that. So 1 mark as well. You're the judge today. If you think you get half because you were almost there, I would let you decide that. Must start and end with a Y. So that's a Y, that's a Y. So you've got just 1 option on each end. So it's really 26 squared, right? The front and the end, you don't have a choice. So you're just worried about the middle. 12 must end in a vowel, okay? A-E-I-O-U. So 26, 26, 26, and you only have 5 at the end, right? 5 at the end. So that's 26 to the power of 3 times 5, and there you have it. Okay. All the same letters. I don't know if this one may have been a bit challenging. Let me just move my camera here. Oops. I can do this. So basically, all A's would be 1 case, right? All B's would be another case. So there's essentially 26 of these cases, right? All B's would be 1, 1, 1. So it's basically 26 times 1. There's 26 passwords that are all the same. And I made this a bonus, so +1. I don't know why I made it a bonus. I think you could handle that, but that's okay. T or D, so you break it down into 2 cases. No vowels, that means that from the 26 we got to take away the 5, right? This one I would say you have to have this number or else you don't get the bonus. Okay, it's got to be all or nothing, +1 if you got it. So T or D, 21, So it's basically 21 to the power of 3 times 2, which is 18,522. So you get to score 14 out of 13 if you got everything right, including the bonus. Okay, so if you could add that up.